Oh my gosh, man, this is like tick number 4 because they don't let you pause it to do anything. You have to start all the way over. So, but also I want you guys to check out the free signals lessons recommendations I can give you via the Telegram. All right. So make sure you're in there. The group is going to stay open until the end of December. We're going to go there and we'll start 2022 is going to be after you free trial that and everything. You go to the paid. Um, this is absolutely golden recommendation, golden signals. I don't know of any signal service that gets it right damn near every time. So that's going to definitely cost. But at this point, I'm doing free services for you guys, just introductory. All right, for the launch. You can go to the website. This right here. That's a short link to it. That'll link you to the website, and then just stay updated. Make sure you're checking in every now and so, and make sure that you have the latest that's going on with Connect One. Now, I was going to be doing videos that would talk about all the different crypto pairs, but it just proves to be too much work at this point because I'm already doing the Forex and completing that, have that as a whole package to help traders trade better. Okay, help you, make money. All right. This is what we're doing. Right now, the group is just kicking ass. We're doing really good. We got a few of us there right now, and this is just going great. That's the signals group here. All right, and the actual channel for the signal alerts. Okay, the channel is here. You can join for free. Okay, and that's that. These have been doing fantastic, fantastic. So happy with the signals. I just can't really. I couldn't ask for anything better than that. I mean, this is something that's been a long time coming. Um, that is really, really, it's changed my life, and I decided that I would share it the best way I can. I'm not a professional marketer. Um, I don't really, know a lot about, grabbing attention online and all that little slick stuff. I figured, if the person's definitely is motivated, they will find me. Um, if they're, I don't want lazy students and people that basically, they like a free ride, but they're really not serious about trading. Um, I would like dedicated students. I love dedicated students that love to trade, that really, really want to make money and don't want to, play games and whatnot. Just, yeah. So, all right. So we will begin right now. We start at and then, I like to call it OddCAD. For those who've listened to me before, I don't call it Aussie, Canadian. I don't do that. I like to have little nicknames. All right. So, all right. So the hour, I'm like a backup. Back up, back up. See what's going on here. This topped out right there. Perfect. Look at this. Kiss this. Kissed it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Comes back up and it kissed my goal, which was right here at that point, right there. And it came back right to that point where I expected. I love it so much. Keeps you going, keeps you motivated. I mean, hey, look, I was a horrible trader for a very long time. I was horrible, terrible, the worst trader alive. But I didn't give up. So I know that there is hope for you. I don't think that there was anyone who was worse than me. I really don't think so. That's literally, I'm not exaggerating. That's how bad of a trader I was. But if this could turn my trading around, okay, oh my God, it's a given for you. So this is on a 3 hour. I like to go in between hours and find patterns. Um, Right now, we have a goal. I'm looking at this. This is going to come up to about right here. Now, remember, it's not an exact science. Get close to this, okay? You don't need to be exact to make money, but this is where I expect it to stop when it comes back up. It has to start showing me signs of returns. That it's as soon as, okay, when this happens, when you have a harmonic pattern that does not complete, okay, and it continues down, it's because the trend was too strong. Which simple as that. And we wait for a double bottom. We wait for a signal that the trade, the moment it begins to crack, this is like a magnet to pull that price back up into this area. And this is how I've traded. This is how I made $38,000 last week, my best week ever in my life. That's how I did it. Simple as this. This is a magnet. When price breaks away of the stop loss, okay, as soon as it starts to crack, okay, we're going all the way here. So I would, based on what I can see for this one, let me see if I can look and see what else. Mm-hmm. We got a double bottom there on a 15. Wonderful. This is what I want to see. This is what I look for. That bad boy right there. I mean, it was I said 15. No, silly. Okay, that's good. The higher the time frame of the double bottom, the stronger it is. Okay, higher time frames dictate the picture. Higher time frames. Now we got one on 30. That's good. That's a start. Might be all it needs. Might be all it needs. Oh, whoa. What's going on with my computer? Oh gosh, I gotta get a new computer. I love this computer too much. I tend to get attached to things and don't want something new. I mean, it's good. It's still good. It's just I'm complaining. I'm complaining probably when I shouldn't. But okay, all right. So we had the double bottom. Well, it came off of that. It's basically seems to have completed this. Got blocked. It's back here and goes here. This is going to be. I'm going to expect this to go into a range. Because it came back and did this. So I would wait until this actually, we got one over here that was broken. I would wait until this actually hit here, and then I'd wait for one more pullback. Come up and then go like that. You know, that not coming back here, but at least here, here or here. Come up and do that, or come up and do this. Or I'll measure it. Maybe I'll just at the 382, okay? Grab that at the Fibonacci number. So we're going to expect this to, we got this go. Well, I'm gonna take this out. I want to see something like this come out. That's going to be a short one, just 175 pips. I'm so used to larger, pips, but I mean, I'll take 170. That's fine. I'm not going to complain about that. Um, it's cool. 175 pips, 176 or whatever. So that's going to be, that's going to be a buy for this sucker here. I want to buy, potential 176 pips. Anything else I want to note? Waiting for range break. All right, so RCHF, this is kind of the slowest I've ever moved on these scans. Bunch of entry. No double top. Oh, the double top. Blocked by my. I'm like, no double top? I was kind of surprised there. Um, I know my charts are crazy, guys. I know some of you told me, hey, your charts are crazy. I mean, I need all this. This is how I trade. I'm sorry. I apologize. I trade this way, but the way I really trade, like if I wasn't teaching it and I was just me, if I wasn't teaching it, honestly, all this stuff I see in my head. I would trade, it would be just a line. It would be this, right? And all of this would be erased, and I'd be trading just that line. Because I see it so much. Like I've been doing this long enough to I can just trade like that, and that's what will happen with you once you learn the my RSAI course, strategy course. That should be ready. That'll be ready by January 2022. I finished the text. Well, just about finished the text images, and then I'll do the recording. Probably 15, 17 hours of recording, and then I have about 50 to 60 video lessons that also come with that. So, yeah, definitely get in. Get in while I do it. I start an introductory price, like $4.99. That gives you the whole kit caboodle. You can call me on the phone. You get mentorship. You're gonna get signals. You're gonna get. You get everything, and that's for the whole year. You get the RCI strategy course. You'll have everything. There's nothing I'll keep back from you. I want you to pay that. That's good for the year. You keep the RCI strategy course. If you need another year of mentorship, I can do that also. I've been doing this for over 10 years. It doesn't matter. 13, 12. I've been doing that. I just say over 10. Once you get past a certain point of number of years, it doesn't matter for another year. Like the difference between 10 and 11 years. You know what I'm saying? What's the difference? Right. But there's a big difference between 6 months and 1 year, and 1 year and 2 years, 3 and 4, then 5 or to 10, Okay. Um, so yeah, all right. So this is what I look at. This right here is left open. This didn't finish. So it's gotta finish it. All right, so this didn't finish. This thing was in a trend. What happens is these things when the trend is so strong, it creates a pullback. Okay, it's the same thing like on a daily, right? You look at the daily. Let's say we go to the daily. Look at this. On a daily, what do you have? You have those what? Those spikes, the drop down. When you have drops like that, there's a tendency for it to snap back. It's just that it's just going to be there, and it's going to stay there until it's fulfilled. It's just going to snap back. It's always best because haste makes waste, and that goes for prices. Haste makes waste. So if you do slow and steady, they say slow and steady wins the race. If these prices don't go slow enough and slow and steady and make changes, what happens is they get, it's like the price has an ego backlash. Or I'm not getting talking about consciousness. Okay, it's like a rubber band. I mean, you have to go slowly and then it can stay in that form. But if it moves too quick, it's just this is what happens. This is what happens. We've got we've got all of this ready to snap back. Snappy. All we need is a double bottom confirmation. We need some kind of confirmation so we get lower and lower in the time frame to find the signal of return. Where okay, there's one start to pop up. A B C D. Okay, this looks like a harmonic here. That might be a harmonic, another one. A 45-minute. Ah, I'm hitting the wrong button. Okay. Looking good. Not yet. We're still on RCHF. I'm not going to be able to beat this whole list. Yeah, I'm going to run out of time. They give me 20-minute max, so whatever I can cover in 20 minutes. All right, not yet. This thing is it's just not ready yet. So we are going to wait until we get the signal. This has got to break 32. And see how that Ichimoku cloud is right on that 32? This is what I wait for right there. Okay? I wait for that. So I've given you tools to basically kill the market. Now, to not make mistakes and lose money, you're going to need the course. You'll lose a lot more than $500 without, and that's an introductory price. The price goes up. So I don't know how long it's going to stay at that price, but it ain't going to be for long. I wanted to sell the course at $2,000 is what I wanted to do. But I know that most people are not going to have $2,000 in their pocket to spend. So I lower it so that the people that need it can get in. But at the same token, I get paid for my work. I mean, that's like $30 an hour, about like almost like $25-$30. No, I should be paid $100 an hour, not what I was paid when I was in healthcare. Anyway, all right. So, but still, I mean, I'm trying to make it balanced, and at the same token, not to be taken advantage of. Thank you. RDUSD. Oh, got a double bottom. Yes. I love it. Trade that bad boy, man. This right here would be the breakout on it at the 71,600. That would be the break. But wait a minute, is it supposed to come back up according to the strategy, or no? Is it short end? Let's see. I have no time left. So we did only Aussie pairs. So I'm gonna just make a video about Aussie pairs. I'm trying to see, is it anywhere where this did not? See, when it starts to go backwards, it's going to be harder to find. I don't want it to be too far back. One here that was fulfilled. So sorry, all I have is going to be this one. Okay, so how many pips is that? Let's see. Oh my God, no time left. All right, so we're going for. Oh, that's fine. All right, fantastic. 14 pips. All right, 400 pips. So we're gonna buy. We're waiting for a little more confirmation. That's good. This is a start. I'm gonna be watching it. 419 pips. Buy alert on odd USD. Thank you. It's 19, 18, 17. I'm like running out of time. I'll see you guys. All right. Thank you. Don't forget to visit the website. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, and get into the Telegram group.